guys, and welcome back to my Lightwhip tutorial series. And on this week's tutorial, we are going to go over a intermediate level combo. So before we get into our combo, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button as it does help to support my channel. So what today's combo looks like is something like this. So in order to do this combo, the first thing that we are going to do are anti-spin flowers. So I do have a tutorial video that goes over how to do flowers, so be sure to check that out if you're not sure on how to do these already. So the first thing that we are going to be doing are 6 anti-spin flowers. So you're going to begin by swinging your whip in the counterclockwise position. And then, since it's going in the counterclockwise position, you're going to bring your whip into a triangle that goes towards the right. So facing the back, what this looks like, so you're spinning counterclockwise, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on 7, you're going to allow it to go in a circle, just a normal circle. And then on 8, you're going to stop it with your foot. So what this ends up looking like is something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So doing that a little bit slower, you have your anti-spin flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on 7, you let it turn around, and then you're gonna let it go one more time and stop it on 8. And you're just gonna stop it with your foot. So facing the back, since this move is a lot easier to see when you are copying exactly what I'm doing, so you're spinning it in this direction, and then you're going to do your anti-spin flowers 6 times. So where you are bringing your hand is in like a triangle. So you're gonna go one spot here, one spot there, and then one spot on top. So you're gonna start in your left-hand corner and then bring it to your right. And then up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to kick the whip in the opposite direction, and it's going to swing in one full circle. Then after that full circle, you're going to swing it behind you. So starting from here, you're gonna kick 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you are doing for that, you first have your whip here, and then you kick it. And then it's going to automatically start going in the clockwise position. Once it has done one full spin, then you're gonna bring it into the back. So it's gonna go 1, 2. And then you're going to grab your whip with your opposite hand. So doing that all together, starting from this position here, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So facing the back, kick it, spin it, behind you, switch. So once the whip darts out, what you're going to do is you're going to continue its clockwise motion, but you're going to turn to the side and have the whip go from your right to your left. So you're gonna do that 3 times, and then you're going to bring it under your leg. And when you bring it under your leg, you're going to switch hands. So starting from the kick, so you're gonna go kick, circle behind you, switch, and then you're gonna go, once you've switched and it started out, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once you bring it under your leg, you're gonna switch hands again. So we're gonna do that all together from the kick, and then we're gonna just take it back from the beginning. So starting from this part here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowing that down just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doing that all from the beginning. So just remember, you're starting in a counterclockwise spinning motion, and then you're going to bring it into your anti-spin flower. And then after your anti-spin flower, you're gonna do a full circle, and then you're gonna bring it to your foot and kick it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once your whip has darted out towards the left, what you're now going to do is a neck wrap fake out. So I do have a tutorial on this move. So it's a cross between a neck wrap and a plane change. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to do your regular neck wrap. So, but instead of actually bringing it from front to back, you're going to turn with your whip. And as you turn with it, you're going to keep the whip going in its original motion. So the whip is going to be turning in a counterclockwise way. So that's going to be going this way, because once you do your neck wrap, it's going to go like this. So doing that one more time. So we have neck wrap, plane change. So all you're doing is you are almost doing like a neck wrap, but instead of letting it actually wrap around your entire neck, you're just gonna grab it midair and keep it spinning in its original motion. So you need to be sure that you have the proper grip on your whip so that you can start doing your 2-beat weave. So you need to pay attention to where you are grabbing your whip when you do your neck wrap fake out. And just be mindful of where your whip is. So doing that all together from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So doing it just from the neck wrap. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now doing that all together from the beginning. So remember, we have our anti-spin flowers. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta-da! So that is all for this week's tutorial on intermediate combos. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one.